Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In this video, we will discuss problems on chapter Pythagoras theorem. First, start with MCQs. First is out of given triplets, which is a Pythagoras triplet. So first, what is Pythagoras triplet? Triplet means three numbers. Let's say A, B, C are given three numbers. Then find out highest number between them. Okay. So if A is highest number here, then if a square is equal to b square plus c square, that is square of highest number is equal to sum of squares of remaining two numbers in a given triplet, then that triplet is called as Pythagorean triplet. So in this type of problems or questions, we have to take options given and find out by trial and error method which is Pythagorean triplet or not. So we will go for first option. Here for highest number it's 10, so take 10 square and take sum of squares of remaining two numbers, and it is coming 26. That is 10 square is not equals to 1 square plus 5 square, so it is not Pythagorean triplet. Then go for option B. Here numbers are 3, 4, 5. Then if you do same process, you will find that 5 square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square. So this is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Then second question, out of given triplets, which is not a Pythagoras triplet. So in previous problem we have to find out Pythagoras triplet, and in this problem we have to find out triplet which is not a Pythagoras triplet. So follow same procedure by going with options. Then we will find that in option C, 15 square is not coming equal to 7 square plus 8 square. So C is not a Pythagoras triplet. Then out of given triplet which is not a Pythagoras triplet. So this is again similar to question 2. Here option is C is coming. Here in right angle triangle, if sum of squares of sides of right angle is 169, then find length of hypotenuse. So here, as this is right angle triangle, so we will go with Pythagoras theorem. Then a square is equals to ab square plus bc square, but sum of squares of side is 169, then ac is coming 13. Now next question, rectangle having length of side 12 and length of diagonal is 12, sorry 20, then what is length of other side? If you draw one rectangle ABCD, side is given 12, diagonal is 20. So by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find out other side, and after putting values we get x is equal to 16 here. And length of diagonal of square is root 2. And what is length of each side? So square is given. Let's take ABCD as a square. Square means all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degree. If we look at in triangle ABC, B is 90 degree, A will come 45 degree, angle C. In triangle ABC we are discussing angle A is coming 45 degree, C is 45 degree, B is 90 degree. So by 45 45 90 theorem we get AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 times AC. Okay, because this side is opposite to 45 degree, and by putting values we get AB is equal to 1. This is standard relation between side and diagonal of square. Side of square is always equals to 1 upon root 2 times its diagonal. So remember this relation for your future reference. 7. If length of both diagonals of rhombus are 60 and 80, then what is length of each side? So let's take ABCD as a rhombus. Rhombus means all sides are equal, and another one property is diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. So M is midpoint of BD and AC. Then AM is equal to 40 and BM is equal to 30. Angle M is 90. So by using Pythagoras theorem in triangle AMB, we get AB square is equal to 50. Sorry, AB square is equal to 2500. So AB is equal to 50 here. Next, the length of side of triangle are A, B, C, and A square plus B square is equal to B square. Sorry, C square. Then which type of triangle it is? So as it is satisfying Pythagorean triplet condition, it is right angle triangle. Next, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3, AC is equal to 12, BC is equal to 6. Then measure of angle A is equal to question mark. Okay. So here let's take angle B is equal to 90 degree. Okay. So here if you consider AB upon AC, this ratio is coming root 3 upon 2. Then angle, the ratio opposite to angle C is coming root 3 upon 2. Therefore by 30, 60, 90 theorem, angle C is equal to 60 degree. Then our angle A will be coming 30 degree. Or in other way, you can also use side BC is given 6, AC is given 12. So BC upon AC is coming 1/2. So ratio is coming 1/2. Therefore angle opposite to that side will be 30 degree. You can directly go with this also. Okay. In 10, diagonal of square is 10 root 2 centimeter and find its perimeter. So as discussed earlier, side of square is equal to 1 upon root 2 times diagonal of square. Put here values, we get side is equal to 10, therefore perimeter is equal to 4 times side. It is coming 40 centimeter. Next, out of all numbers from given dates, which is a Pythagoras triplet? So as discussed earlier, to select any option and go with highest number square is equal to check whether highest number square is coming sum of square of remaining two numbers. If yes, that is Pythagorean triplet. Here option A is coming Pythagoras triplet. Then one more question. Height and base of right angle triangle are 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Find length of its hypotenuse. So this is simple Pythagoras theorem application. We get AC as 30. Then in triangle ABC, AB is given perpendicular to BC, AB is equal to BC. Then find measure of angle A. So as AB is equal to BC, therefore opposite angles are congruent. So angle A is congruent to angle C. Then in triangle ABC, sum of all angles is 180 degree. Therefore, putting values, we get x is equal to 45 degree. That is angle A equals to 45 degree. Option C, sorry, problem 3. Triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular to BC, AB is equal to BC, AC is given 2 root 2. We find out length AB. So AB is equal to BC. So take as a x and use Pythagoras theorem. We get x as a 2. Again, from given figure, in triangle ABC, AB perpendicular to BC, AB is equal to BC and AC is here 5 root 2. We have to find out height of triangle ABC. Height means side AB. So putting here values, we get height is equal to 5 unit. Find the height of equilateral triangle having side 4 centimeter. So take a triangle ABC as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides equal and all angles are also equal, that is 60 degree. So consider triangle ABD. Here AD is perpendicular to BC, so angle D is 90 degree. Angle B is 60 degree, so angle BAD will be 30 degree. So by using 30, 60, 90 theorem, we get AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 times AB, because this side is opposite to 60 degree. So AD is coming 2 root 3. Question 6. From given figure, in triangle ABQ, if AQ is equal to 8 centimeter, then AB is equal to question mark. So AB is side opposite to 30 degree. So AB is coming 1/2 into AC. It is 4 centimeter. 7. In right angle triangle, its length of hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. What is length of its base? See, this is simple Pythagoras theorem problem. So AC is given, AB is given, put values, we get BC as 24 centimeter. Next, if triangle having sides 50, 14 and 48 centimeter, then which type of triangle, or it is right angle or not? So for the purpose, take highest side 50, square it, then take sum of squares of remaining two sides and check whether it is coming equal or not. So here AB square is equal to 2500 and sum of BC square plus AC square is again equals to 2500. So both are coming equal, so it is right angle triangle. Again it is same type of problem. Here it is again coming right angle triangle. So rectangle having dimensions 35 by 12 meter are given. What is the length of diagonal? So length of two sides are given. We have to find out diagonal. Just apply Pythagoras theorem. We get AC as 37 meter. So in this way we have discussed 1 mark and MCQs from chapter Pythagoras theorem. If you have any doubt, you can contact to us on our WhatsApp number provided. Please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.